In order to use Pydotplus, you're going to need to install two different packages. One is Pydotplus, but the other one is GRAPHVIZ. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So hopefully this helps you get started and you can visually see it. It's not a requirement. You don't need to see the actual decision tree, but if you want to, here's how to install. So of course I'm doing this with a Mac, and I hope this works for Windows the same, but there might be a little bit of differentiation. So with GRAPHVIZ, I went to Anaconda's site and I saw that it gives me a line to install it. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And where we go to install is, of course, we go to the terminal to do so. And all we have to do once we're in the terminal is type in that line and hit enter. And it will take a while to happen. And so you'll see me probably cut here, and then we'll come back. And well, before I do that, I get to proceed. Do I want to continue? And the answer is yes. And now it's going in and installing GRAPHVIZ. You can see the different ones on there, and it's going a lot faster than it used to. Well, looks like it's done. So with that now, I've got GRAPHVIZ, and I'm going to go to Pydotplus and see how to do that. And I'm going to use the one they've got up here. Again, it's an install. Copy. Go here, and I should be able to just paste that right there. Hit enter. It's collecting the package. And it shouldn't take too long. And by the way, I'll put both of these links into, hitting yes again, because I want to proceed. I'm going to put both these links into the Jupyter Notebook just so you have them so you can look at where to do it. And it looks like we've got it. Now let's see if it works. Most important part, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and run everything up to here. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Got it. Go ahead and try decision tree. I got my result for decision tree. Now can I see it visually? Looks like it did not give me any issues importing Python, importing Pydotplus. And it usually takes a second, especially because I'm not restricting it in any way. The next two will look a lot better. Just go ahead and run those. Okay, it actually took about 3 or 4 minutes. That's because I did the entire decision tree, and you see what it looks like. Obviously, that is not something that you can read, and I went ahead and saved it anyways, just so you could see that. But more importantly, I set the max depth to 5, max number of leaves to 10, and that's a lot easier to read in this case. And so with this result, with X2, X3s, again, we can put the names in there if we really wanted to. Pretty simple to do, and I'll add that actually to the code here. So when I run this in the next video, you'll see that. But you see it works. And so that's how you install GRAPHVIZ and Pydotplus. Do GRAPHVIZ first, then do Pydotplus, and I think that is the order you have to do that, and then it'll make it work.